say a few things about medications. From what I've seen, pretty much most common medications have some degree of toxicity to the brain. Remember, the brain is the most sensitive organ, the most delicate organ, the most complex and complicated organ in the known universe. It is, if there is any degree, if there's the suspicion that something can harm your body, it's going to harm the brain. So you know that when you're putting drugs in, of course, you need the drugs maybe to control hypertension or to control, I don't know, sugar, blood sugar, and all that. So I'm not saying you're going to stop taking the drugs, but you have to know that the drugs are also affecting your brain, and they can cause not just neurological problems like brain problems. You can also cause things like depression. They can lead to depression. I remember I have patients who they became autistic when they were kids as a result of heavy dose antibiotics being given to them, maybe for an ear infection. And the doctor didn't know any better. They just kept on giving them the antibiotics, and eventually that caused them to become autistic. Um, Directly and indirectly, the antibiotics can affect the brain, but they can affect the gut microbiome. They kill the good bacteria, and the good bacteria, like we said, is super important for brain development, especially if you're a kid. I got to say that statins. So statins are among the top three most successful drugs on the planet. Highest revenue from these statins. They are given to help to lower cholesterol, and maybe whether they do or not effectively, that's not what we're here to discuss. We do know that if you're taking statins, you are depleting your body of a very important nutrient called CoQ10. CoQ10 is essential for energy development in the cells. The mitochondria in the cells use CoQ10 to generate energy for your cells. Statins deplete your cells of that CoQ10. And they've shown studies where this depletion causes brain fog, causes brain problems, causes problems in the muscles, causes problems in the heart, causes everything to get weaker because energy is lacking as a result of the CoQ10 depletion. So if you are taking a statin, if anyone you know is taking a statin, you've got to take CoQ10 along with the statin. That's another discussion for another time, but it's super important that you understand this. If you're taking antibiotics, you should take probiotics as well, so that as they are destroying the bad bacteria and the good bacteria, you are replenishing with the good bacteria. There's some thoughts about cough medications can kind of cause some kind of drowsiness in the brain.